Helicopters are on the roll now. The takeoff roll again to lead. Wingman and slot pilot take off first. Step back as we bring in the Avenger. Then if you want to join us in the hangar, we have some music coming up. Blue Angels will be back in about an hour's time. Off they go to the Houston conditions.